Applications of difference of squares of two variables in calculating values of numerical expressions. Examples. One, find the value of 20 squared minus 11 squared. To find the value of 20 squared minus 11 squared, solution. From the algebraic identity, we have a squared minus b squared is equal to what? A plus b into a minus b. Now I want to find the value of 20 squared minus 11 squared. So it means that the 20 represent A and 11 represent what? B. So A equals to 20 and B equals to what? 11. Now we use the expression at the right hand side to calculate the value of 20 squared minus 11 squared. So what do we have? It means that we are going to have 20 plus, anywhere you see A, you put 20. Anywhere you see B, you put what? 11. We now have 20 minus 11. What is 20 plus 11? That is 31. Now we have 31 into bracket times 20 minus 11, that is 9. In this case, we just need to multiply 31 by 9. 9 times 1, that is 9. Then 9 times 3, that is what? 27. So it means that the value of 20 squared minus 11 squared is 279. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.